Now we will solve problems in chi-square test where we are testing the goodness of fit of the distribution. So in that first one I have taken it, fit a Poisson distribution for the following data and test the goodness of fit given that chi-square test valued table value at 5% level significance level for 3 degree of freedom is like this. Now first we need to fit a Poisson distribution, so which we have studied it in the previous classes, how to fit a Poisson distribution, that we will discuss it first. We need to calculate the Poisson distribution with the formula m to the power of x into e to the power of minus m by x factorial, where m stands for mean of a distribution. Now we need, in the given data there is no mean value is given, they have given it some distributed datas, discrete datas they have given it. So from this discrete data we need to find out the mean. So mean, from the statistical concept we can find out the mean for the discrete data using the formula summation fx divided by summation f. It is, this is f and x, 122 into 0 plus 60 into 1 plus 15 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4 divided by, added the function f, 122 plus 60 plus 15 plus 2 plus 1. So that obtained answer is written here. So when we calculate this, we are getting it mean as 0.5. So mean value m is taken as 0.5 in the formula of Poisson distribution. They asked you to obtain the Poisson, fit a Poisson distribution for how many, for the following data they have told. So frequency of the following data we already obtained it for 200. So when we are obtaining it a Poisson distribution, for how many datas this distribution can be calculated is for 200 datas. So multiply the Poisson distribution with 200. So for different values of x, what is the Poisson distribution for 200 frequency, we are calculating it, where substituting x as 0 we get 121, nearly answer 121. Put x is equal to 1, we get nearly the answer as 61. Put x is equal to 2 in this formula, we get answer as 15. Put x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4. So consequently we are getting the answer for Poisson distribution as 3 and 2 for 200 frequency. So theoretically the Poisson distribution is obtained as 121, 61, 15, 3 and 0. And in the problem they have given you what is the observed frequencies. So to calculate, to test the goodness of fit from the Poisson distribution, we need to write the observed value which is given in the problem, and this is the expected value what we obtained, what we have fitted a Poisson distribution, that obtained answer we need to write it down. That is nothing but theoretically obtained answer. Now coming to the question here, observe that chi-square test value is given from the table for 3 degree of freedom. It means n minus 1 is here 3. So how much data should be there? N means it should be 4. So degree of freedom is 3 means the number of data should be 4. But here observe that number of data are 5. So how they converted it to a number of data of 4 and why it should be done? In the previous video we discussed it. I told you to observe that node. Here observe the node. If the expected frequencies are less than 10, we group them suitably for computing the value of chi-square. To reduce the number of simplification, if the expected frequency values are less than 10, we can group it the values to compute the chi-square. So here observe that when expected value expected value is a obtained one. Here when I expected value, theoretical obtained value, when I add it for this to 3 plus 0 is 3, it is less than 10. I can't group it with 15 plus 3 because it is more than 10. So 3 plus 0 when I group it, we are getting it theoretical frequency is less than 10. In that case, you added these two frequencies. When you are adding these two frequencies in theoretical means in observed value also you need to add it. So here you can observe that observed frequency, the last two values are added, 2 plus 1, 3, and theoretical frequency what we obtained also it is added. Okay. If you don't add also does not make any difference, but the problem for you is here clearly they have given it. This answer is for 3 degree of freedom. Hence, it is must for you to convert it the given number of data as 4 instead of 5. Okay. Now do the calculation of chi-square using that formula. 122 minus 121 divided by 122 minus 121 is 1. 1 square is 1 itself divided by 121. 60 minus 61 is minus 1 whole square is 1 divided by 61. 15 minus 15 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So calculated chi-square will be 0.025, which is less than the table value of 7.815. Hence we need to accept the hypothesis. What is the hypothesis we have done? We have here the question is asked, test the goodness of Poisson distribution. So we took a hypothesis that the goodness, the Poisson distribution, what we have fitted the Poisson distribution is correct or it is good. So hence we are accepting the hypothesis. So what theoretically calculated, what we have fitted it Poisson distribution, this is, it is good one comparing with the observed frequencies. So thus hypothesis says that fitness is good and it can be accepted. Similarly, goodness of fit is obtained for binomial distribution. Also have taken a problem where 4 coins are tossed 100 times and the following results are obtained. First, fit a binomial distribution and test the goodness of that fit using chi-square test. So here degree of freedom is given 4. So number of data should be one number more than the degree of freedom. So it should be 5. So here no need to add the data because frequencies, expected frequency, you may get it more than 10. Okay, so no need to add it here. So that we observe it when we do the calculation. First we do the calculation as fitting a binomial distribution. So here also to fit a binomial distribution, theoretically I need to calculate it in a binomial distribution the formula is of NCX p to the power of x into q to the power of n minus x, where I need to calculate what is p and q. Since it is a condition of tossing a coin, you can take p as half and q as half, because we know the outcome of success is nothing but half, outcome of failure is also half, getting either head and tail. But to get the more accurate value using statistical concept for the given data, frequency data, also you can calculate the mean value. So the mean value is calculated using the statistical formula. Mean is nothing but summation fx by summation f, where mean value we obtain it as 1.96. We know that according to the binomial distribution, the mean of the binomial distribution is nothing but n into p. I know the mu value, I know the number of data value as 4. So substitute 1.96 divided by 4, we get it as p. Here observe that n is 4, P equal to mu 1 point. So P is 1.96 by 4, you get it as 0.49, Q is 0.51. So it is a slight difference in generally what we take and from the given using statistics calculation what P we are obtaining it. If you for a tossing a coin, generally success is 0.5. Instead of 0.5, how much you are getting? 0.49. So it is a small change in the value. So directly also you can take, or you calculate using the statistics formula the P value. Obtain mean, from mean you obtain the P value. So binomial distribution probability function, we are getting it in this way, where for how many frequency it is calculated? For 100 frequencies. So theoretically for 100 frequencies, how I can fit a binomial distribution for different values of x 0 to 4 I need to calculate. So in this formula, x is consecutively substituted, x has 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and use calculator and directly calculate it. After this substitution, use calculator and directly calculate, no need to show the simplification step, and write approximate answers, or you can fix that of decimal 1, so directly where you can round it off easily. So theoretically the frequencies obtained is 7, 26, 37, 24 and 6. This is a theoretical or expected frequencies of fitting a binomial distribution for the given data. But observed frequency, they have given it as 5, 29, 36, 25 and 5. So we need to write down the table of observed frequency and theoretically obtained frequency. Here observe that the frequency value is last one is less than 10. If I wanted to merge with the previous one, it will become more than 10. Hence here they have not added the theoretical frequency values. Okay. And form a table of observed and expected. This is given data. This is now calculated theoretical data. Write the formula of chi-square. How to do the calculation? 5 minus 7 is 2 square is 4 divided by expected value 7. 29 minus 26, 3 square is 9 divided by 26 plus 36 minus 1 whole square is plus 1 divided by expected frequency is 37 plus, because it is summation here, sum of. So all these difference values from observed and expected we need to calculate. 25 minus 24 is 1 divided by expected value is to 24. 5 minus 6 minus 1 whole square is plus 1 itself divided by 6. So when you do the calculation, you get 1.15, which is less than the given table value of 9.49. Hence we can accept the hypothesis that fitness is good and it can be accepted. So these are the some important problems related to chi-square distribution. In most of the VTU examination paper, they asked you the problems related to fitness of to check the fitness of the distributions what we obtained it.